Chick, 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 chick. Chick, chick, chick.
Where are you guys going?
Chick, chick. I'll just put it, don't put the bowl down. Put a little bit in your hand. All right, just grab it with a handful. There you go. There you go. Now put it down there for the chickens.
Do I leave my hand? Just throw it down?
No, flat out.
Down.
Flat out.
They're gonna peck me.
Just put it down.
Ow!
Oh my God, Judy. Look, watch. Like this. Do it like this. Chick, chick, chick. Chick, chick, chick. Chick, chick, chick.
I'll try it again. Okay. I'll try not to swear. I'm sorry. Okay. Let me get my hand down there first. No, they get the little fat part. See, look. They got the little fat part of my hand.
Judy, come on, no, with the hand. With the hand.
Okay.
They're hand-fed chickens.
I don't think they are. Okay, ready? Set. No! See, they get the little fat part of my... Steve! She stepped on the hippo.